A mala means garland in Sanskrit. A mala is a yogi tool to help us with meditation. It's similar to a rosary. So a mala contains 108 beads, which is a very auspicious number in yoga, and 109th guru bead. So it has 108 beads and then one more bead called the guru bead. The guru bead is said to hold the intention of the meditation or the intention of the mantra or the mantra itself. On most malas, at the end, we see a tassel. The tassel holds the mala together and represents our connection to the universe. Meditation with a mala is called Japa Meditation, and it could be really, really powerful. Affirmations can change your life. Mantra can change your life. A Japa meditation really helps us to count the mantras without having to worry about, taking stock of the numbers. And it also can help us keep us focused or keep us busying our hands so that we don't get distracted while we're trying to say our affirmations or our mantras while we meditate. So, to meditate using a mala, you take the mala and drape it over your hands. Now, we only drape it over the 3 last fingers. We keep the index finger, the pointer finger, out because this is our ego finger. It says you or me. So we keep that one out of our meditation. And then you can use your thumb and your middle or your thumb and your ring finger to count your mantras. I like to use my thumb and my middle finger. So drape it over like this, and then you'd count your mantra. Let's say your mantra is, Om. So you'd say Om, and then move your finger up to the next bead, Om. And then move your finger up to the next bead, Om. And then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And this way you can count 108 times without having to remember how far you've gone. If you want to go more than 108 times, or sometimes you have a mala that's a multiple of 108, or let's say you have a bracelet that is, 18 beads, so you'd have to go around a few times. What you would do is keep counting. We go all the way down and around. And then eventually, when you get to the guru bead, we don't want to cross it because it contains the intention of our mantra and the intention of our meditation. So we're not going to cross this bead. Instead, we're going to go back around the other way. In order to do this, you slip your thumb in, release, and swivel the wrist around. And then you're ready to go back around the other way. I'll show you again. So when we get to the end of our mala, we slide the thumb in, release the fingers, and swivel the wrist. And then we're ready to go around again. Happy meditating, yogis!